everyone, welcome back to Say More About That's Vlogmas December. Today's tip or trick for you guys has to do with beginning making changes in any form, whether you're wanting to work on your mental health or your physical health, whether you're struggling with addiction or some kind of interpersonal relationship. Oftentimes when clients first come to me, they're wanting to make some kind of change in their life, or they're wanting something to be different. And I find that I very often am starting with noticing. So that is your tip for today. If you don't know what the cause of your problem is, or where things seem to go wrong, or if you are often fighting with a significant other or any other loved one, and you just find yourself saying, I don't know what to do, I don't know what's going on, I don't know how this happens, I don't know why this keeps happening, I don't know how I keep finding myself ending up in these situations or in these arguments, the biggest thing you can do is start noticing. And not just notice as in the moment, but sit and reflect too. What was going on before the event or the decision or the fight? What were you doing? What were you listening to? What feelings were you having on the inside? What thoughts were going through your head? Often people find it hard and they are very much like, I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know what the thought was. I don't know what I was feeling. Or they simply jump to, I was mad. We'll get to that tip in another video. However, noticing is a very big, very important first step for doing anything in mental health or any kind of making changes in your life. You have to notice what's going on in you, your emotional state, in your mind, and what maybe is going on around you that is triggering these different emotions or reactions within you. Noticing is your tip for today. I hope you keep following along on Vlogmas 2020. Thanks guys, see you tomorrow.